The one thing we strive to do at Restorers with the leather care industry is to constantly improve what we do in the industry to ensure anybody that's involved in it is at the highest standards and levels possible. So we are constantly improving, we're constantly innovating, we're constantly setting new goalposts so that everybody has to follow suit. That's why we've changed our training courses to make them even better, with an extensive slideshow presentation to begin with, all about leather ID, what leather it consists of, how it's made, different types of leathers to identify them, cleaning, stain removal processes and all those sort of things are all done in this department now, all through the extensive slideshow presentation. Once that's done on day one, we would then proceed through to the other rooms where we do all the hands-on sections. So we're just going to walk you through where we do all our jackets and handbags in here, which is our jacket and handbag department and sewing areas. And then we come through into here, which is where we're going to do all the hands-on. This is where the assessors sit here to assess, to make sure that the trainees are being trained properly by myself, to make sure that I meet the industry standards of the automotive industry that we're governed by, to ensure that you gain your correct accreditations. So the assessors sit here and assess me, the trainer, to make sure I'm training you properly. If they don't believe I'm training you properly, they will pull me up and make sure that that is addressed, and that will be reported to the necessary authorities that I've done that incorrectly, because we're the only industry approved training centre in the UK. So this is where we've got Errol. Errol's coming up from down Swindon way. This is Errol's section with his pen, etc, etc, and name badges. This is Bruce Davidson. Bruce is coming down from Scotland, from the very top of Scotland. Everybody's got all their training kits here. Obviously the 4-day kits are quite extensive. This is all Bruce's kit. This is all Errol's kit here. And this is the lovely Karen, who's coming over from Ireland. She's flying in from Ireland. So, I mean, we get people come to us from all over the world, and obviously Karen's got all her extensive kit here. And then obviously we've got this is where we're going to be doing all the spraying. This is the big spray booth, so that obviously works well for the guys as well. But this is all the hands-on department. So if you're looking to train at the UK's only approved training centre, do drop us a line. You can go on our website and get everything you need to know. We are the leather care people. Thank you.